Cleveland Clinic in the Sunday world. So this is TriaX match results, where you can just take a Google Health record and say find matching trials from TriaX. And one other very interesting place where we're using semantics is basically faceted browsing of results. So medical information generally puts many people off, including doctors. Sometimes, so we just don't want the user to feel overwhelmed. So it's a simple blue link on a white page is not going to work. So we want the patients to know what are the trials, what are their conditions, and what conditions do they actually match, and what conditions do they not match. So this, again, these conditions, these facets are obtained from our underlying semantic model. So TriaX also has APIs, so that all the trial information that we collect from CenterWatch and clinicaltrials.gov, the two biggest sources for trials in the US. So we integrate them, we add semantic markups, and we expose them as RDF. And we are partnering with general health and wellness providers like Everyday Health to use this RDF data in their websites. So if you're reading about an article on diabetes, they can pull out clinical trials related to diabetes and show that patients have multiple ways to access clinical trials. So this is a snippet of the RDF. So again, to go back to why we are in the challenge, we get data from diverse sources. We have no ownership over them. Google Health, Microsoft Health Vault, Dosia Indigo, which is basically out of Boston, and that's which is emerging as the enterprise format for representing personal health record data. And we get clinical trials from clinicaltrials.org, CenterWatch. TriaX also has a way for investigators to come and create clinical trials. TriaX is a semantic platform for healthcare providers. So let me quickly switch here for a second. So for example, this is Cleveland Clinic's trial recruitment operation, essentially, that runs on top of the TriaX platform today. So basically, the semantic data, all the semantic goodness that we have done in TriaX essentially gets exposed, and healthcare providers, pharma companies can just directly tap in on the TriaX platform for the trial recruitment process.